ladies, welcome back to my channel. And in this video I wanted to share with you guys a few things I purchased at Dollar Tree and at Target. It's not a lot. I just wanted to share with you guys what my theme for this year is going to be. I'm super excited because I'm kind of getting out of my comfort zone, and I'm sorry if I'm going fast. I want to film this video because my son is over there with his dad, but I can hear them, so it's his nap time, so I think I should hurry up. So I just wanted to share with you guys a few things that I purchased from Dollar Tree and Target. It's not a lot, just a few things I wanted to share because I want to use these for a DIY. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. Okay, so the first things I want to share with you guys are these cute little owls I got from the Dollar Tree. I've seen them all on YouTube, but I wanted to get my hands on some of them. And I've been to 2 Dollar Trees and they didn't have these. And I actually went to a Dollar Tree yesterday that was like an hour away, and I found only 3, but I only brought 2 because one of them was already torn. Look how cute these are. I plan on using them for like a DIY. I'm not really sure, but I love the color because I feel like this year, like I said, I'm gonna get out of my comfort zone, and my colors are going to be white, gold, and emerald green. I've never used a bold color like emerald green, but I've seen really nice pictures. I got inspired by a few things I saw at Pier 1, but Pier 1 is like pretty expensive and I'm not about to spend a lot of money on decor. But I thought these were really cute because they have the white and they have the green that I plan on using. So I thought those were cute. I also got these little bells. Like I said, I'm planning on using this green for one of my theme colors. And these are 9 pieces and they only cost $1. I regret not buying another one, which I should if I go back. Another thing I saw, you guys, were these cute little nutcrackers. Again, like this is the color that I'm going to use this year. The gold and the white. I'm sorry. Yeah, it has gold, white, and green. So those are the colors that I'm going to be using this year. This emerald green. I thought these were really cute. I could put them like on each end of a table or like a home decor. I thought these were really cute, and they were at the Dollar Tree, and I didn't see them at another Dollar Tree. So if you guys see something you guys like, grab it because then you're not gonna find it. One last thing I found at the Dollar Tree was this cute little snowman. It's an ornament and it has music, and it's motion activated. So once it stops and someone passes by, like it'll start doing the little jingle bell song, which is really cute, and my son really wanted it, so I got it for him. Thought this was super cute for him to have in his room. Now I'm gonna share with you guys the last things I bought at Target. I only bought 3 little trees, but these go exactly with the theme that I want this year, and I hadn't seen these at any of the Targets that I live around. I found these at a Target that was like an hour away from my house, and I saw them and I was like, you know what, I have to have them. Look how beautiful this green is. This is perfect. This is the perfect color that I want for my theme, and it has so much glitter. It's so beautiful, you guys, and it was at the dollar spot, and these are only $1. Unfortunately, they only had one of these. I didn't find any other green ones, so I got my hands on that one. And I also got this beautiful gold one because these are the colors that I plan on using this year for my tree, and also this white one, which I thought was really cute. So these are the colors that I'll be using this year. And you guys, I can't believe I found those trees. They were really cute. They're perfect for decoration for any table or any countertop. I thought these were so adorable, and I hadn't seen them at any other Target, so I grabbed them, and I was like, because I don't know if I'll ever see them again. So I hope you guys like these kind of videos. I wanted to share these decorations with you guys before I start doing DIYs. So I hope you guys like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.